Today we are going to the top 3 authentic landmark restaurants in Buenos Aires. We are heading to La Recoleta barrio, where we will sample some of the best Argentinian fare that these landmark restaurants have to offer. From delicious empanadas to mouth-watering grilled specialties. Oh, and let's not forget a sinfully decadent Sanjuanino. Let's get started with our first stop, El Sanjuanino.
All right, guys, our first stop is in Sanjuanino restaurant. And guess what? It's an empanada house.
Platter.
Cheers to another fantastic wine tour.
All right, guys, empanadas have arrived. We have been devouring empanadas left and right every single day almost because they are that good. Spicy beef, corn, ham and cheese, and chicken. Smells nice. Corn's nice and sweet, which is surprising. Delicious. Creamy, corny. Maybe not corny. I'm corny.
All right, guys. Well, yeah, the flavor is always fantastic, but I'm going to try the spicy because my heart always goes to anything spicy. So I can already see, I can identify the stuff in here, which is really cool because you can see the onions in there. You can see there's little peppers in there. So that's what's going to make it a little spicy. And it's like ground beef and stuff in a nice little sauce. So, you know, this is going to be good and juicy. There's a whole olive in there. And it tastes like taco stuffing, taco meat stuffing. It's great. We're going to be partying this place soon to our next location. It's been freaking amazing. The wine has been paired perfectly. So we're totally enjoying ourselves again. So far, excellent start to another fantastic wine tour.
Our second stop of the day, we are at Clark's, serving traditional Argentinian foods. We passed by the grill on the way in. It smells incredible. Can't wait to dive in and see what we're going to eat. The decor, it's all antique. So I've seen the old phones before, but there's a section of old microphones, old cash registers, scales. I love seeing these old things being used for something good, not just, you know, filling a landmine.
Salud, everyone. Salud. Cheers.
Salud.
Emilia wine. That's what we're drinking right now on Malbec. A 2022, a very young wine, quite honestly. I would have normally passed right by because I feel it's too young. I would have not let it, hasn't aged enough yet. But quite honestly, it's really fantastic. It's got a light nose, but the flavor is so well balanced and so smooth. It's perfect with everything, quite honestly. Cheers, because it's great. Something to note for this place, it's a landmark restaurant, and it's placed right in front of a hot spot where a lot of tourists come. So highly recommend, if you absolutely don't want to miss your shot, make a reservation. You don't have to make it days in advance. You can just make it like 2 hours in advance of when you want to come by. And then you'll be sure to get seated because this place is hopping mad.
Food's arrived. Smells delicious, like usual. So this is a salchicha sausage. Okay, look at that, guys. Juicy, steaming. It smells really nice. We may have to live here. The food's just incredible.
This is really a big surprise, all right? Everybody knows when you come to Argentina, their beef. It's amazing, right? This is known, just like their wines. But we didn't expect so many great sausages. This is, we've had this already before in the past. It's basically provolone cheese that's been grilled, seasoned, put right on a grill, and you get this nice soft texture after that. It's always fantastic, so it's going to be fantastic. We gotta start making this at home.
The food just keeps coming. So this is what they call matabre. So it's a beef
Flank steak.
flank steak, thank you. That's put flat, stuffed with carrots, celery, some different seasonings. The center is a hard-boiled egg.
I'm dying to try the roulade of the flank steak. So let's give this a shot. It's served cold. I wasn't expecting that. It's a little weird to me. This is supposed to be a type of Christmas dish also, this roulade. So not something they do every day. But yeah, you know what? I can see it at Christmas. It's colorful, kind of cute, everything. Doesn't beat a great steak though. All right, guys. The superstar has arrived. We've got ourselves really nice steak. What's this cut called?
Sirloin steak.
Sirloin steak?
Sirloin steak.
All right. There you go, guys. We got ourselves. We're going to cook on that. Really nice. You can smell the wonderful grilling on there. I am going to try a piece first without any extra seasoning. Beef just has a good taste. Now it's light on seasoning, but fortunately, they provide it. Some nice little sauces. And this one's a little bit of a house chimichurri. So definitely want to get some of that on there. And that's where all the extra flavoring is going to come out to really bring out the beef. Try it now. Very nice. But the Canadian in me is saying needs more salt. And well, guess what? We've been gifted this nice little sparkling wine. Cheers. It's really nice and refreshing. Good way to end. In our tradition, any tour that we do at Jorge, is that we stop for dessert after somewhere. So this is where we are now. It's a very famous landmark spot for several different reasons, but mostly became highly famous because of two race car drivers that used to come here after every race. And they would enjoy coffee and chit chat with all the locals and everything about the daily race.
So we heard about this, we had to try it. So it's called the Sanjuanino. Not the same submarine that we know back in Canada. So it's hot milk with chocolate pieces inside. So you know you're getting, basically building your own hot chocolate. So as you mix it, see the chocolate? A homemade chocolate, hot chocolate.
Yeah.
With pure milk, pure chocolate. Don't need anything else.
Well, maybe we might need sugar. She'll have to taste it first and we'll find out. 5 minutes later.
Let's see if it needs sugar. Oh, that is nice. That is rich. That is chocolatey. I don't think it needs sugar. This is perfect. He may have to order his own because we were supposed to share this.
Well,
Nice.
perfect, just like that. Doesn't need anything else. Tastes wonderful. You get that really good chocolate taste, you know, not that powdery stuff. Cool. All right, guys. So, you know what? The submarine, it's really cool. It's a nice treat. And you know what? It's not too hot today, so it's actually a good choice. It's been a great food tour again for us. We absolutely enjoyed ourselves. This is it for our tour. We're going to be signing off. Don't forget to like us on Facebook. check the bell, and check back in 5 or 6 days or so for our next video. Cheers.